So if you have to replace a section or if you were replacing the shock cord on a fiberglass pole, you're going to want to start with the end with the 2 aluminum ferrules. All your other poles are going to be very similar. One will have a slightly longer ferrule, that is your other end. So that one will go last. Start by feeding it through. The first one's going to be the trickiest because you got to get it lined up. Then you'll go on to the next pole. This one's a little easier because you don't have to go through the aluminum. Then once you reach the end, you're going to pull it tight. It doesn't have to be super tight. So to tie off the end, tie whatever knot you feel like. But remember, it has to be large enough to not slip through the pole. And then you can trim the end off. And it's all good to go.